Well, the Zoom Array, apart from being a multi-track recorder, a sample interface controller, can be used as a standalone drum machine. We can use it to record in our computer if we have a DAW, and we have to connect the output from the drum machine to the audio interface so we can do the recording of our drums there. And in combination with the pads of the unit, in which one we can assign a pattern, we can make a whole rhythm pattern for a song. So let's have a look at that. Alright. Okay then. The first thing we would like to do is to open the machine, the Zoom Array. We open it here. We can see that the screen gets light. And we hit here in the project button, and we just want to make a new one. We're gonna give it a new name. For example, we call it Rock 1 as an example. And then we have a new project. This one is called Rock 100. And if we want to use it, the machine as a drum machine, we're going to go to the rhythm section, which is this bottom here. We hit it, and we can see the editor on the screen. And here we have to search the rhythm we want to use it for our song. For example, we're going to try to do something, a rock song, so we're going to search for a rock rhythm. Here, for example, on number 40, that's the first rock rhythm, and we're going to hear how this sounds. So we move up the general volume of the unit and we hit play. Well, this sounds like an intro, so maybe we can use this one as an intro for our sound. We hear it again. Alright, we can move to the number 39 and see how it sounds. Well, this is a whole rhythm, maybe 41, and see how it sounds. Okay, as we can see, all the rhythms all the patterns are on the same tempo, so we can mix them together on the same sound. So I think I'll use the number 40, which is this one, as an intro, for example. And the 41, which is this one, will be on the chorus part. And let's see how it sounds to number 42. Similar to the 41, so let's move up to 43. Well, maybe this one can be used as a break, but we will wait a little bit and see the 44 how it sounds. Okay, this is a variation. We have some plates there, so we may use this one for a stronger part of the song. And let's see how it sounds at 45, which is this one. Similar, 46. Okay. Well, maybe this one can be useful as a way out of the song. So now we're gonna sing this 46. We have to assign this pattern to one of those patches here. One of those pads here. So we're gonna use them to shot the pattern. For that, we go to that assign button. We are on 46 pattern, and we hit the assign button, and we hit the number 8 in this case. And they say that the 46 pattern is assigned to the track 8, which is this one. So now we have the pattern assigned to this pad here. We also want to use the pattern 44, I think. Yeah, the pattern 44 is going to be a signet. We hit a signet again to the pad number 7. So here's a 44 track 7. So now we just signet to this one. And we also want to use the 42, I think. Yeah, 42 is going to be a signet again, async button, which is this one. In this case, to the pad 6, async pad 6, which is this one. Is a signet here. So now we have 3 pads of signet, 3 different patterns of signet to 3 different pads. This, and this. We still want to async one more, which is the intro in this case, which is not that one, it's number 40. Yeah. Well, this could be an intro. We're going to sing this one to async to number 5. Alright, so now it's a signet to 5, another one to 6, 7, and 8. We can give some different volumes to each pad. For example, the intro could be not that loud, just a little bit different. So when we do our recording, this works out well. So make sure we have the general volume set to level. This one also on good level as well. Okay, so now we're ready. We leave the rhythm section, which is here. We go out of the rhythm section and we're back to the normal settings of the zoom and rate. And now we just have to activate these channels 5, 6, 7, and 8 so we can use these pads. Now when we want to do the recording to our DAW, we have to know how we want to do the song, which is going to be the intro part, the chorus part, the strongest part of the song, and then the out part of the song. For that we can use that. So we start hitting this one. It's going to give us the intro. So now I'm recording this as an intro. I'm doing more than one time, but normally it will be one time. Then I will go to the chorus part of the song. Alright? Then we'll move to the strongest part of the song when we think we're ready. And we keep hitting the pads all the time. And then we go back to the chorus. You see, it's a different rhythm pattern on the same tempo. Again, to the strongest part of the song. There we go. And we can do here the out of the song. Alright, in that way we can do a whole pattern for a song we want to make. Thank you.